How to fix common CV mistakes. Okay, let's talk about CVs because honestly, most of us make the same mistakes on them, and it's usually small stuff that can cost you an interview. So first one, the personal statement. If yours says I'm a hardworking, motivated person, recruiters have seen that line a million times. It doesn't really say anything. Instead, just mention one real skill or achievement you're proud of. Keep it simple. Next, sending the same CV everywhere. I get it, it's easier, but hiring managers can tell when you haven't tailored it. Even a few tweaks for each job makes you stand out. Formatting, yeah, not exciting, but it matters. If your dates don't match up or the layout looks messy, it just looks careless. Keep it clean, easy to read. And here's a big one. Keywords. A lot of companies use software to filter applications. If you don't have the right keywords, your CV might never even get seen. So grab a couple from the job description. Last thing, don't just list what you were responsible for. Show what you actually achieved. Saying managed a team is fine, but saying led a team of 5 and boosted efficiency by 20% is way stronger. That's it. Cut the cliches, tailor it, keep it neat, add the right keywords, and focus on results. Do those, and you're already ahead of most people. Alright, good luck. And if you want to double check your own CV, I dropped a checker tool link below. Go try it out. Transforming careers and data analysis with the power of AI with Magical API. www.magicalapi.com